What is your money personality? We can help you build your Cowrywise portfolio no matter what it is. Now, would you like a ride on a roller coaster or a Ferris wheel? Your answer says a lot about how you should invest on Cowrywise. Let's build three simple portfolios for the cautious, the balanced, and the bold investor. First of all, do a bit of self reflection. Ask yourself, if my investment drops 20%, will I panic, sell, or buy more? The answer will guide you through this. Let's start with the cautious. If you're the cautious investor, then 70% should be in your money market funds and 30% in balanced funds. Your goal is capital preservation. You get to beat inflation safely, and it is profit for retirees or savings for a near-term asset. Now, if you happen to be the balanced investor or the strategist, so 50% of your funds should be in the balanced funds, 30% in equity funds, and 20% in global ETFs. That means you want growth, but you also need to sleep at night, which is great for most people with a 5 to 10 years goals. Now let's look at the last set of people, that is the bold, the pioneers. You just need to put 70% in equity or aggressive growth funds, and then 30% in global or sector specific ETFs. Because you are in for a long haul of at least 10 years, you will ignore short term dips and trust long term growth. It is good for young professionals building wealth. So, do not forget to rebalance once a year. If your bold portfolio becomes 80% equities after a boom, sell some to buy other assets and get back to 70% and use 30% for the other global ETFs. Cowrywise makes it easy to switch between funds. Listen, there are no best portfolio, only the one that best suits you. Pick the one that matches your personality and your goal timeline. Don't forget to drop a comment with your type.